everybody, it's Catherine. Welcome to my channel where I like to talk all things fragrance and beauty. Today I am looking oh so au naturel because we are talking gift sets. Sephora's VIB sale is coming up in the very near future, and as is the holiday season. So great time to be getting gift sets for those special people in your life, or gift sets for yourself, and give yourself the opportunity to maybe try a product that you've been wanting to try. A lot of times gift sets gives you a smaller size, so not quite as big of a commitment. A buffet of products in a way. Today I'm going to talk about a couple of the gift sets that I have already purchased, kind of let you play vicariously through me here a bit and see if there's something that you actually want to make the investment in yourself. The reason I'm au naturel is because the first gift that we're going to talk about is Westman Atelier's Petite Sticks Clean Glow Trio #1. I am a very fair-skinned person, as you can tell, so I went with the lighter set. They are petite size, so you can, this is the regular size as opposed to the petite, so you get an idea there. You have Biscuit Contour, Lit, which is the highlighter, and then Petal blush. I had personally wanted to try Petal, and I have Biscuit already, but I'm sure I will be out of it soon, the amount that I use. This was a decent kit for me to get to try 2 new products and stock up on the one I already have. The nice thing about Gucci Westman Atelier's products is that they're simple, natural looks that you can do with fewer products. It's also a clean products line, if that's an important aspect for you in your terms of your products. So I'm going to show how easy that you can use 3 different products to create a quick look. If you're a full-time working mom on the go like myself, you can just grab 3 products and quick put it on at the office, quick put it on in the car before work, not while you're driving of course, park and then do your makeup, or just a quick application of makeup before you even leave. Sometimes you don't have the luxury of being able to spend an hour on your makeup. This is a quick go-to without using very many products. The nice thing too is it provides a good foundation or a good base for a day look, and then you can always doctor it up and soup it up with some more products for a more formal glam evening look. So let's get started. I'm going to put my foundation and my concealer on, and then we'll do a quick look with these 3 and then talk about a couple of the other gift sets that I have purchased. And I'm just going to use my Armani Luminous Silk foundation and concealer as always. BK Beauty Brush 101. I of course already have on my complexion products today. I used La Prairie Essence, La Mer Moisturizing Cream, and then Clé de Peau Under Eye Cream. Alright, so I have a good base of foundation. I'm going to use, actually I'm going to save the little mini of the Biscuit since I said I already have it. I'll still use Biscuit, but just my usual. Again, contour, since I am older, I don't want to make my face look even more fallen, so I'm going to apply it just on the cheekbone, the base of the cheekbone. Sigma Small Contour F05, and then always brush up. This is not my best hair day. I used leave-in conditioner this morning on my ends. I thought, oh, I'll just put it all over, you know, because it smelled so good. No, I just look like a grease bomb. Also just did my nails, and then I was on the phone this morning and pick. All these nervous tics I have. There went the nails. Now I have my Petal. The neat thing about her blush sticks is that you can use them all over. So I can use it as my eyeshadow, I can use it as my lipstick, and then also of course as the blush. So let's do it. Little always goes a long ways as well. Again, always blend up. And then I'm going to use my finger Petal seems to be more of a mauve. It looks like a baby pink when you're looking in the jar, but on looks to be a bit more of a mauve-y type pink. Or I shouldn't say mauve, more of a dusty pink. I'll say a dusty rose. I'm going to take my blending brush, kind of blend that out just a little bit. Make sure no lines of demarcation. And then final product, Lit, which looks like it's going to be just a clear. Let's try swatching it. You barely even see it. Swatch Petal just so you can see too. Ooh, looks much more rosy there. All right. So then if you can see in the light here, it does give my skin just a bit of a sheen. Kind of a healthy glow type look. So just a bit of like a glazed. Really easy breezy, beautiful, clean look for a daytime look. I'm going to doctor it up just a little bit with a couple other products just to complete the look for myself, and I will get back to you. See you in a couple. Put my concealer on, my eyebrow, Tom Ford eyebrow gel in espresso, just a basic black eyeliner, Blacker by Marc Jacobs, and Dior Show Maximizer 3D, as well as my Dior Show Blackout Mascara. And easy breezy look. All in all, probably took about 5-10 minutes to do my makeup, so really easy, quick look to do. Natural looking, but still, I think, formal enough for everyday professional wear. And this was the Clean Glow Trio No. 1, Westman Atelier. Oh, I might be saying that wrong. Anyway, Sephora. I'm sure it's available through a multitude of websites, but I know the Sephora VIB sale's coming up soon, so a great gift set to look at with whatever percentage off that you get. I know Credo right now has, I think, 20% off for friends and family, CREDO, so another thing to check out. But like I said, probably available at a multitude of sites. I'll look for a few and link them in my comment section below. I will say that Lit totally reminds me of Tom Ford in Contour 1. The white, it's very, very similar. I think it has the same look, it has the same feel. So if you have that one, but just so you know, it's really comparable. Now, I've compared Biscuit and Tom Ford's contour before in a video. I will link it here. They're two very different contours. I can't even tell you for sure which one my favorite would be. Completely different. One blends a little bit different, and then, you know, the shade's obviously a bit different. So, worth checking out. But again, Lit and this, very comparable. So if you have one, you probably don't need the other, but just my opinion. All right, on to the other gift sets. But however, I need to go get my daughter from daycare. All right, I'll see y'all soon.